Hello, Cryptor Global Community. This is Bitcoin Brandon back with some more information today as we are continuing to follow institutional investors as they move into the crypto space on an alarming rate. So, again, if you own a business, if you have a product, if you are an investor in a company, is your investment, is your business positioned to take full advantage of the Bitcoin and the crypto ecosystem? Because if you're not, you will be either out of business or severely at a disadvantage in the very near future, starting with 2021. So first, let's take a look at today the crypto market cap. Bitcoin itself is now at $18,700 a coin. We are in uncharted territory, and this new money that hit came from the outside, investors, institutional money. So there's a report that comes from Coinbase. And this is a Coinbase executive that reveals $14 billion burst of institutional capital entering Bitcoin and crypto markets. The head of institutional coverage at Coinbase, Brett Tejpal, says institutional interest in crypto assets has grown more than threefold since he joined the crypto exchange in April of 2020. In an interview with YouTube channel Heidrick and Struggles, Tejpal details some of the main growth areas at Coinbase under his tenure. The Coinbase executive emphasizes that institutional interest in this space is multiplying week after week. We've had an explosion of activity. I joined in April of this year. At that time, our institutional assets under custody were $6 billion. Today, we stand at over $20 billion, so more than a 3-time increase. We're now measuring the fresh capital coming into crypto, principally being allocated to Bitcoin, in the billions. And so week after week after week, we've had an explosion of incoming capital. Tejpal explains how the exchange has been preparing for the onslaught of institutional money in its partnerships and philosophy on how to deal with governmental regulation of the crypto sector. Earlier in the summer, we acquired an execution platform called Tagomi, and it radically transformed our ability to cater to institutional clients that want to use smart order routing and algorithmic execution. In other words, you've got businesses that's adopting the Bitcoin ecosystem, whether accepting payments or making payments for their products. So the stat that there is that our trading volumes are 20 times what they were at the beginning of the year. When I joined in April this year, we upgraded our banking and auditing partners, and we've got JP Morgan and Deloitte. It's real important because both of those firms went through a 1 to 2 year period of due diligence to satisfy themselves that we have the right KYC, know your customer, and AML, anti-money laundering, and the fact that we sort of posture ourselves and act like a bank, and we've opted into being regulated, where we're a safe on-ramp. Tejpal also highlights the importance of visible institutional support for the crypto asset space that came from big players like hedge fund manager Paul Tudor Jones and Michael Saylor's business analytics firm MicroStrategy. Tejpal claims that he has seen direct results from the likes of PayPal jumping into the crypto space, saying that when these highly regarded entities enter the space publicly, it encourages other institutions to follow suit. For people sitting on the sideline that are now looking at the major banks, the major accounting firms, major hedge funds, major endowments, and now PayPal is getting into the space, it's really unleashed a second wave of institutional adoption. And we are just getting started. Get in the game. Until next time, Bitcoin Brandon out. Goodbye, Crypto Global Community. Have a good day. Bye-bye.